Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Chi. I appreciate every single second that you spend on my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be learning how to make this variety of braided hat. I already have some videos on my channel showing different types of braided hat and how to achieve them. From the pictures you can see, I just wanted to let you know that you can play with this braided hat. You can place it on any part of the hair that you want. You can make the size vary. You can incorporate it into any hairstyle, especially hairstyle for little girls. It is always adorable and they always love the hair. So I already have about 2 videos for absolute beginners who want to learn how to make braided hat. In that video, I explained every single step that is going to make you know how to make the hat as far as you can cornrow. And if you do not know how to cornrow, I already have a video. In that video, I taught how to cornrow and then I went through 7 challenges, mistakes, complaints I have heard from new braiders or people trying to learn how to braid. In that video, I demonstrated what makes them have that mistake, like when the braid is not lying flat on the scalp, when it is loose, when you end up grabbing hair from outside the sections you're working with, when you grab too much hair, when you unintentionally make the beginning of the braids to be brushed, when your knuckles hurt. I demonstrated what causes all this and how to prevent those mistakes for people who are learning how to braid. That video is very helpful if you don't know the technique or the explanation behind how to cornrow. I am going to have the link to that video in the description bar, and I'm also going to have the link to the foundation tutorial for people who want to learn how to make braided hat. But if you have an idea of that and you watch this video, it is very self-explanatory. And so let's continue. I really appreciate the time you spend on this channel, and I will love to hear where you are from. Just in case you are stopping here for the first time, my name is Chi. I am a hairstylist and some other things based in Nigeria. And if you are, just let me know where you are from. Please say hello. I really feel so excited when people do that. Thank you. Let's continue the video.